Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into August Smart Lock and create user codes, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure that your August Smart Lock is properly installed on your door. Download and open the August Home app on your smartphone. If you haven't already, create an account using your email address and a secure password. Once logged in, grant the app necessary permissions to access your location and notifications. From the home screen, select the option to add a new lock if you haven't done so. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your August Smart Lock to your Wi-Fi network. Ensure your smart lock is powered on and within range of your Wi-Fi router during this process. After connecting, your August Smart Lock will appear in the app. Tap on your lock to access its settings. To create user codes, navigate to the Shared Users section within the lock settings. Select the option to add user. Enter the new user's name and email address in the designated fields. Set a unique user code for this individual, ensuring it follows any preset guidelines. Specify the duration for which this access code will be active. Once all information is entered, tap Send Invite to share the code with the new user. The invited user will receive an email with their unique access code. Ensure they download the August Home app to manage their access. Repeat this process for any additional users you wish to add. Review and manage all existing user codes and permissions regularly for security. That's it. You have successfully logged into your August Smart Lock and created user codes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.